Synonyms: rest, relax, center, middle, inside, yell, shout, scream, afraid, scared, frightened, look, see, glance, stare, sniff, smell, inhale, sack, bag, backpack, little, small, tiny, garbage, trash, junk, waste, famous, well-known, present, gift, reward, award, neat, tidy, clean, gloomy, sad, unhappy, big, large, huge, tall, high, big, mad, angry, furious, quiet, calm, couch, sofa, divan, evil, bad, wicked, automobile, car, vehicle, strange, odd, weird, hide, cover, blank, empty, hollow, true, right, correct, rock, stone, jog, run, cap, hat, woman, lady, female, house, home, quick, fast, swift, ill, sick, unwell, bunny, rabbit, higher, under, below, beneath, father, dad, daddy, rug, carpet, mat, idea, thought, mother, mom, mommy, funny, silly, playful, crazy, listen, hear, happy, glad, joyful, cheerful, abortive, vain, unproductive, boisterous, clamorous, rowdy, clarify, explain, simplify, conflict, fight, battle, struggle, dry, arid, parched, equivocal, uncertain, hazy, fallacy, delusion, mistake, hostile, antagonistic, aggressive, militant, identical, alike, duplicate, morbid, appalling, awful, ghastly, oblivious, unconscious, preoccupied, dazed, prejudiced, biased, opinionated, influenced, steep, coarse, lofty, tumultuous, violent, riotous, way, unclear, obscure, indistinct, abound, flourish, proliferate, birth, beginning, complex, complicated, intricate, correct, accurate, right, proper, diverse, different, distinct, friend, comrade, buddy, gloomy, dark, dismal, depressing, irritate, annoy, agitate, provoke, lure, attract, entice, naughty, bad, disobedient, wrong, prominent, distinguished, eminent, regulate, control, oversee, handle, subvert, demolish, sabotage, trivial, trifling, insignificant, weary, tired, fatigued, lethargic, adhere, comply, observe, best, finest, choice, cause, body, boorish, contradict, deny, oppose, disagree, differ, dispute, face, confront, meet, glory, dignity, renown, impair, diminish, deteriorate, kind, considerate, tender, thoughtful, new, unused, fresh, modern, passive, compliant, submissive, yielding, remonstrate, censure, protest, special, exceptional, notable, particular, thick, chunky, massive, wield, exert, employ, awkward, clumsy, uncoordinated, bottom, base, foundation, cheap, competitive, inexpensive, concord, agreement, accord, dubious, doubtful, questionable, future, coming, tomorrow, grisly, disgusting, atrocious, intriguing, fascinating, enthralling, luxurious, extravagant, elegant, obliging, complacent, willing, preserve, uphold, guard, save, resentment, displeasure, wrath, subterfuge, deceit, stratagem, tangible, concrete, definite, wary, cautious, circumspect, abandon, desert, forsake, aggressive, assertive, pushy, militant, compact, bunched, thick, confess, admit, acknowledge. Dull, blunt, dreary. Extravagant, extreme, excessive, luxurious. Ferocious, fierce, savage, brutal, savage. Hamstrung, cripple, debilitate. Invective, accusation, censure. Mysterious, elusive, occult, secret. Offspring, descendant, sibling. Pertness, flippancy, impudence. Reason, acumen, bounds. Savage, wild, untamed. Venerable, esteemed, honored. Achieve, accomplish, attain. Believe, trust, accept. Comprehend, understand, grasp. Consolidate, centralize, fortify. Deceit, deception, artifice. Exquisite, delightful, charming, lovely. Frivolous, trivial, unimportant, silly. Intolerant, bigoted, prejudiced. Join, connect, unite, link. Murky, dusky, dreary. Obsolete, extinct, dated. Antiquated, prosperous, thriving, successful, flourishing. Stupid, unintelligent, dense, foolish. Throng, assembly, crowd. Vacant, unoccupied, empty. Authentic, accurate, credible. Bewitching, alluring, charming. Calamity, adversity, misfortune. Conventional, customary, traditional. Defile, contaminate, pollute. Evil, bad, wrong, wicked. Give, donate, present, offer. Inevitable, unavoidable, ascertained. Jaded, tired, exhausted. Migrant, drifting, traveling, transient. Perturbed, flustered, anxious. Slander, defame, malign. Treacherous, dishonest, duplicitous. Winsome, beautiful, comely. Adamant, firm, unyielding. Baffle, astound, faze. Carnal, earthly, fleshly. Courage, bravery, valor. Dispute, debate, oppose. Furious, angry, enraged, infuriated, haughty, arrogant, pompous. Invincible, unconquerable, impregnable. Last, final, end. Obtain, access, inherit. Premature, early, hasty. Retaliate, avenge, revenge. Reciprocate, swift, fast, speedy, hasty. Victory, triumph, win, success. Abundant, ample, sufficient. Brave, courageous, bold, heroic. Comic, clown, Esther. Cranky, cross, irritable. Deprive, despoil, divest. Efface, destroy, obliterate. Genuine, absolute, factual. Intelligent, bright, sensible, rational. Knell, death knell, last blow. Noxious, baneful, injurious. Possible, conceivable, feasible, plausible. Quibble, equivocate, prevaricate. Separate, divide, segregate, partition. Tremble, vibrate, wile, trickery, artifice. Amateur, beginner, novice. Barrier, barricade, obstacle. Confident, bold, undaunted. Conform, comply, submit. Disdain, detest, despise. Endeavor, undertake, aspire. Flaw, defect, fault, blemish. Hapless, unfortunate, ill-fated. Immaculate, exquisite, impeccable. Malice, vengefulness, grudge. Open, begin, unfold, originate. Pacify, appease, chasten. Surplus, excess, additional, extra. Transparent, diaphanous. Virtue, ethic, morality. Admonish, counsel, reprove. Bleak, austere, blank. Capable, competent, able. Constantly, always, continually. Dawn, daybreak, sunrise. Evident, apparent, obvious, clear. Frantic, violent, agitated. Hasty, abrupt, impetuous. Impute, attribute, ascribe. Mitigate, alleviate, relieve. Oracular, cryptic, vague. prevalent, customary, widespread, sterile, barren, important, temperate, cool, moderate, valiant, courageous, brave, heroic, active, energetic, animated, lively, broad, wide, expansive, concede, yield, permit, condemn, censure, denounce, diminish, curtail, lessen, decrease, fatigue, tire, exhaust, hypocrisy, deception, pharisaic, insinuate, allude, hint, liable, accountable, bound, outstanding, extraordinary, distinguished, prudence, vigilance, discretion, recreation, amusement, pleasure, pastime, squalid, dirty, filthy, umbrage, chagrin, offense, wane, decline, dwindle, allure, entice, fascinate, busy, active, engaged, careful, cautious, watchful, conceit, egotism, a modesty, drab, dull, lifeless, eradicate, destroy, exterminate, guile, cunning, deceit, infuriate, enrage, agitate, provoke, naughty, complicated, difficult, negligent, careless, derelict, inattentive, placid, tranquil, calm, qualified, competent, suited, capable, sad, unhappy, dejected, gloomy, terrible, dreadful, horrible, vile, wilt, wither, perish, abash, disconcert, rattle, celebrated, acclaimed, lionized, chilly, cool, nippy, considerate, thoughtful, sympathetic, mindful, excite, arouse, provoke, incite, fluctuate, deflect, vacillate, help, aid, assist, indigent, destitute, impoverished, magnify, expand, enlarge, exaggerate, obscure, arcane, vague, permanent, enduring, lasting, rout, vanquish, overthrow, succinct, concise, terse, vouch, confirm, consent, approve, accept, ratify, endorse, befogged, becloud, dim, calumny, defamation, aspersion, contrary, dissimilar, conflicting, dwarf, diminutive, petite, explicit, exact, distinct, unmistakable, gather, collect, accumulate, compile, immature, childish, inexperienced, justify, defend, exculpate, novice, tyro, beginner, pamper, flatter, indulge, quit, seize, stop, withdraw, stationary, fixed, immobile, firm, timid, diffident, coward, win, triumph, succeed, prevail, amplify, augment, deepen, awful, dreadful, atrocious, clandestine, covert, fruitive, comical, amusing, funny, humorous, consent, agree, permit, eloquence, expression, fluency, fresh, unused, new, high, elevated, lofty, insane, crazy, deranged, mad, militant, combative, aggressive, warlike, offend, displease, affront, disgust, poor, destitute, needy, impoverished, restrain, detain, confine, sacred, cherish, divine, vain, arrogant, egoistic, able, capable, qualified, brittle, breakable, crisp, candid, blunt, bluff, competent, capable, qualified, deliberate, cautious, intentional, eternal, always, perpetual, everlasting, fabricate, construct, produce, hard, firm, solid, difficult, ingenious, clever, creative, original, mean, unkind, malicious, nasty, ordinary, usual, average, patience, tolerance, perseverance, spurious, fake, counterfeit, trenchant, assertive, forceful, valor, bravery, prowess, ascend, climb, escalate, benign, favorable, friendly, capture, apprehend, seize, arrest, cunning, acute, smart, dark, dismal, black. Foe, enemy, adversary, opponent. Humiliate, embarrass, disgrace, dishonor. Inclination, disposition, affection. Lunacy, delusion, insanity. Offensive, abhorrent, obnoxious. Precarious, dangerous, uncertain, shaky. Rescind, annul, abrogate. Substantial, considerable, solid. Uncouth, boorish, clownish. Zeal, eagerness, fervor. Alleviate, abate, relieve. Blend, combine. Mix, charming, delightful, appealing, enchanting. Conservative, cautious, restrained. Desolate, barren, forsaken. Fat, chubby, plump, stout. Honest, truthful, sincere, frank. Impulsive, flaky, impetuous. Lenient, compassionate, merciful. Ornamental, decorative, adorned. Precarious, doubtful, insecure. Reluctant, cautious, averse. Strenuous, vigorous, laborious. Utterly, completely, entirely. Yoke, connect, harness. Axiom, adage, truism. Below, under, lower. Chaste, virtuous, pure. Cozy, comfortable, snug, homey. Die, expire, perish. Fancy, elaborate, ornate, fussy. Gain, acquire, obtain, receive. Impatient, eager, anxious, intolerant. Lavish, abundant, excessive. Notion, conceit, apprehension. Plausible, believable, reasonable, logical. Ravage, devastate, ruin, damage. Shrewd, cunning, crafty. Tender, delicate, gentle, affectionate. Wholehearted, earnest, sincere. Acumen, awareness, brilliance. Bustle, commotion, tumult, calculating. Canny, devious. Cover, conceal, hide. Daring, bold, audacious. Enlarge, expand, magnify. Forsake, desert, renounce. Handy, useful, convenient, skillful. Interesting, enchanting, riveting. Moral, ethical, virtuous, righteous. Opponent, enemy, rival, foe. Perpetual, eternal, endless, incessant. Rowdy, boisterous, rambunctious. Tyro, beginner, riotous. Vicious, corrupt, obnoxious. Ambitious, aspiring, driven. Barren, desolate, sterile. Captivate, charm, fascinate. Consequence, effect, outcome. Dangerous, unsafe, hazardous, perilous. Fatal, deadly, mortal, killing. Huge, vast, immense, great. Infringe, violate, encroach. Least, fewest, minimum, smallest. Observe, examine, study, scrutinize. Plentiful, ample, enough. Abundant, ratify, approve, confirm, endorse. Seize, apprehend, grab, snatch. Urgent, crucial, important, imperative. Zest, delight, enthusiasm. Abolish, abrogate, annual. Body, erotic, coarse. Condense, compress, concentrate. Conscious, aware, cognizant. Destructive, catastrophic, pernicious. Enormous, vast, immense, colossal. Gallant, chivalrous, stately. Ignorant, uninformed, unaware. Jejune, dull, boring. Mollify, appease, assuage. Outbreak, eruption, insurrection. Prevent, thwart, prohibit, hinder. Sufficient, ample, enough, adequate. Turbulent, tumultuous, blustering, violent. Worn, used, impaired, old. Accurate, correct, right. Benevolent, benign, generous. Camouflage, cloak, disguise. Combine, bled, unite, join. Despair, depression, misery. Eclipse, diminution, dimming. Gracious, courteous, beneficent. Impenitent, uncontrived, obdurate. knave, dishonest, scoundrel, nullify, cancel, annual, persuade, convince, influence, raise, destroy, demolish, solicit, entreat, implore, tenement, apartment, digs, wild, uncivilized, savage, reckless, audacity, boldness, courage, blunt, dull, insensitive, confine, contain, enclose, restrain, confuse, complicate, muddle, jumble, denounce, blame, censure, indict, frank, candid, straightforward, blunt, generosity, altruism, bounty, indifferent, equitable, haughty, large, big, massive, huge, neat, clean, orderly, tidy, precious, cherished, valuable, prized, rectify, amend, remedy, stain, blemish, tarnish, turmoil, commotion, disturbance, fracas, wicked, vicious, immoral, abject, despicable, servile, baroque, florid, guilt, care, concern, protection, concur, agree, cooperate, different, distinct, unlike, empty, drain, unload, frugality, economy, providence, honor, adoration, reverence, infernal, damned, accursed, mediocre, fair, moderate, so-so, obvious, evident, apparent, proud, arrogant, elated, refute, contradict, dispute, tame, compliant, subdued, vivid, eloquent, lucid, accord, agreement, harmony, bold, adventurous, colossal, enormous, immense, mammoth, compress, abbreviate, shrink, ecstasy, delight, exultation, fiction, fantasy, untruth, myth, harmony, conformity, amicability, imperative, compulsory, crucial, mandatory, monotonous, boring, tedious, dreary, humdrum, ominous, threatening, menacing, perfect, flawless, accurate, reliable, trustworthy, steadfast, stable, shy, bashful, timid, vanity, conceit, pretension,